Welcome to my channel. How to log in to Netgear Orbi via the Orbi app. Let's check it out. Step 1. Download the Orbi app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Netgear Orbi and install the app. Step 2. Connect to Orbi Wi-Fi. On your phone, connect to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Launch the app. Open the Orbi app after installation. Step 4. Log in to your Netgear account. Enter your Netgear account credentials, email and password. If you don't have an account, tap Create Account. Step 5. Authenticate Orbi router. The app will detect your Orbi system. Follow on-screen instructions to verify and access the dashboard. Step 6. Access Orbi dashboard. Once logged in, you can check network status, see connected devices, update firmware, manage settings, Wi-Fi name, password, parental controls, etc. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.